Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by Jay Khan. So friends, finally the last date of Short Service Commission tech entry for 57th and 28th course is over, and lot of candidates were asking their doubt in the comment section who have submitted their online form under this entry that they did not get any kind of update from the Indian Army related to their submission of their online form. And all the candidates who have successfully submitted their online form under this entry, what they need to do means to say that from where they will be able to download their online application form. So all the details we shall discuss in this video in a very comprehensive manner, from where you will get the online form, and that online form is very important. You need to keep with yourself while reporting to your SSB board. So friends, firstly I would like to clear this doubt before starting this video that you will not get any kind of update from the Indian Army on your registered mail ID or mobile number, because Indian Army is not sending any kind of update related to your submission of online form to your registered details. So please clear this doubt in your mind that after submitting your online form, you need to download your online application form from your portal. So let's begin form. So firstly friends, you need to come on the Indian Army official website. You need to come on your portal by logging in with your registered details under the officer entry. Same things you need to follow. So friends, after entering your details, you need to log in here, and lot of candidates were also asking that they are unable to open their online form. So you need to enter your registered mail ID, means to say that whatever username you have selected, whatever registered mail ID you have on your portal, you need to enter that mail ID as a password in order to open the online application form of this Short Service Commission tech entry. So you need to go to the third section, that is history of application, and then after you need to download the online application form under this entry under the view section. So you need to click on this view button. You will be in a position to download your online form. So you need to come at the bottom, that is you can easily see that the online application download link has been activated here. This link has been activated after your deactivation of the online form under this entry. So you need to click on this link in order to download your application form. So click on this link, you will be in a position to download this online application form in your mobile. But in order to open online application form, you need to enter your registered mail ID as a password. So you can enter your password here, your mail ID. So you can easily see that online application form has been open of the candidates, and while reporting to the SSB board, you need to keep this online application form as a printout copy with you, and you need to paste your passport size photograph, that is same that you have put it while applying the online form. Same photograph you need to paste on this online application form, and keep this in your mind. I am repeating once again, you need to keep this online application form as a printout copy when you will report to the SSB board if you will get shortlisted in order to attend the SSB interview. And all other documents you need to keep with yourself while reporting to the SSB center, and all the details and all the original documents and all the remaining documents we shall discuss when your official cutoff under this entry will be declared on the Indian Army official website in order to appear in the SSB interview. So friends, whenever the SSB interview cutoff marks of all the branches will be updated on the Indian Army official website, we as soon as possible on the same YouTube channel. So keep update with us, stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.